You always make me laugh and you always call me Madame Wattfeld. And for me, he's not dead, he's still here. And I put these roses today because I'm sure he would like it. Everything is for Karl, always. He protect me for so many years, so I think he still protect me. I miss him so much.
Je viens d'arriver, donc je ne sais pas encore. Enfin, en tout cas, on est à la fois content d'être là, même si c'est pour un hommage un peu triste à Karl. Moi, c'était quelqu'un que je connaissais très bien, que j'aimais profondément. Ça faisait 15 ans qu'on se voyait souvent, qu'on travaillait évidemment ensemble à travers le groupe, mais c'était au-delà de ça, c'était un ami de la famille. Quoi. Donc on était tout le temps en train de manigancer des choses et on s'amusait bien avec lui. Voilà, il nous manque beaucoup et là il est un peu là, on le voit partout, ça fait plaisir de le revoir. Voilà.
J'ai pensé beaucoup car et aussi j'ai beaucoup rire, vraiment une émotion.
I think for me, I mean obviously his talent as a designer, he was just so incredibly inspiring. And for me personally, it was his wit. You know, his intelligence and his wit is what I will take away as someone that got to know him. When I first went to Chloe, he said that he came up with an amazing statement that I just think is the coolest thing ever. And he said, I knew they would take a big name to replace me at Chloe, but I thought it would be in fashion, not in music. So chapeau to you, Karl.
We're always very close friends. We didn't see each other very often, but when we did, it was really the real friendship. He was a fantastic guy with unbelievable idea. I admire him as a designer.
He was such a sensitive person, very sweet, not fake at all. And he was such an intelligent, marvelous person. We are here happy. He will be happy to be in this place.
And then listen, it's stunning. I mean, these huge pictures like this, it's incredible. Some of them are beautiful, and some of them I didn't know that, which is quite amazing. But I imagine that Karl would have hated it. He would have come and said, what is this cathedral? What a horror. I can hear his voice and making stupid jokes and giggling very probably.
I met Karl here in Paris when I was 13 years old, which was quite a number of years ago. We were together for many years after that, and he really gave me my start, my first big job, my first big fashion show. I was the bride for the couture. He taught me so much about fashion and confidence and really just going for it when everyone says you can't.
What I expected today, to remember something really kind of fundamental is crucial and was crucial to this industry, and who brought humour and was a zeitgeist of what is and what is to come.